Today is Monday and Kat is home because she has a day off today and tomorrow. But me, I'm working. So okay, I will continue working. Dinner time. We're having leftover menudo from 2 days ago. No, Saturday. Yeah, I cooked menudo kasi nandito sila Angelo 2 days ago. And marami pa kami. So, ito muna yung ulam namin before kami magluto. Magluto ng bagong ulam. Those are our new snails. You see? They're together. Okay, this is our dinner today. Torta. Ramen and rice, and Kat didn't work today again
because
she's off.
I'm off. Pinapaubos na kasi sa amin yung vacation leave, guys. Ano? Gusto ko sana i-cancel.
Wow, yummy pizza.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Maraming kalat to.
Ang kalat-kalat.
How is this snail floating and gliding upside down? It's after work, it's Wednesday, and it's so nice out. So nice out.
It's 20 degrees today.
Oh my god, that's perfect. Almost. 22 is perfect. Let's go. Let's go. So, today I have an appointment to get my hair cut because my hair is long now, and Kat is just coming with me. Maybe we're gonna eat after or before, I don't know. We're gonna eat first. There's a deal here. It's 2 for $5 burgers, so we're gonna eat here. We watched this. That's the one that we went to last week. It's always there, right?
Every Wednesday.
Wow, look at that. No clouds in the sky.
No clouds in the sky. Hey, hey.
Wow. Doon ako magpapagupit ng hair. And then going there is waterfront.
Top of Vancouver.
Oh yeah, that's the top of Vancouver right there. Revolving. It's the revolving restaurant. That's where I'm gonna get my haircut, Tsubaki. And then this is the church. Ano church to?
Cathedral.
Cathedral. Okay, I gotta go by. Gonna increase again. Guys, tingnan nyo, may dito. May ads na Tagalog. And Resist Marcos. I don't know, guys. But this one is a meet and greet with Gabriela BC. I think that's Gabriela Silang. So we bought this at the Filipino store.
Mogo, mogo.
Mogu Mogu. Ayun pala yung mga yan yung aisle ng mga Filipino markets and restaurants dito sa Joyce.
Yeah, Pero, mawawala na yan sila. I think, wala pa naman sinabi kung kailan, no? Pero kasi nga, gagawin na yan mga buildings. May,
Gagawin na silang high-rise buildings. Kaya mag-walk na kami pa uwi. And
magandang araw.
init na guys. Super in. Oh, this is my haircut. It's short. Shorter than I expected, but it's okay. Whatever.
Ilan yan, summer naman.
True. Anyways, look. I have a bun.
Can I have some?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're gonna just walk home. Guys, tingnan nyo ang break ng sun and also tingnan nyo yung aso dun. My God. Oh my God, ang cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Tingnan nyo, nagbo-bloom na talaga yung mga mga bonggambilya daw, sabi ni God.
Bonggambilya flower.
Bonggambilya. So, nagtapan pala kami ng mga gamit-gamit. May dito sa Vancouver, parang zero waste siya and then you can
You can tapon anything na meron kayo except for garbage. So guys, may mga naka-label dito, like for example ito, mga metal,
Ayan,
aluminum, household batteries. Dito,
pwede nyong dito dispose lahat yung mga ganun. Pati yung mga foams and mattress and everything. Okay, uwi na kami. So ngayon nandito kami sa Coquitlam kasi nag-pick up kami ng map. Ito yung map. Oh. Can I see? Diba yun yung map na mahal dun sa sa Costco? And we got it for free! So, I'm super happy kasi maglilinis kami ng balcony. And may map na kami. And we got it for free! Kaso lang, medyo malayo yung dinrive namin para makuha yung map. It was 30 minutes away, but it's okay. They're normally $50. Malinis pa, no?
oh, parang hindi ginamit.
Sige. Pretty good. Anyways, ngayon, pupunta na kami ng IKEA para kumain. Kasi, wala na kaming time. And then, yeah, uwi na kami after.
Canadian Tire?
Ay, mag-Canadian Tire kami. Tapos, Costco. And then, uwi na.
Ayoko na. Busy kami, guys.
We are now at IKEA for food. Hindi ko maalala, may bibili nata kami dito. Tapos ngayon hindi ko na alam kung ano yun. So, kakain na lang kami. Sunny sa labas. We are at IKEA Coquitlam, by the way.
Dinner with
Yeah.
review.
You know, before, this used to be only like $16. And then now it's $25. Ah,
Inflation.
Inflation.
This is already nasa travel person.
Look at the mountains. Look at the mountains, guys. It's currently siguro 8:40 na. 8:40 and look at the sky. Okay, hi guys. We're home now because hindi na kami nakapag-vlog nung umalis kami kasi ang dami naming pinuntahan. Where did we go? So, no, after work, umuwi kami. Kumuha kami ng mga itatapon dun sa dapat dun sa Bottle Depot. Pero yung ibang mga gamit namin, hindi namin natapon doon, yung mga metal. So, pinapunta kami sa Zero Waste ba yun? Zero Waste.
Yeah.
And then, doon kami nagtapon doon nga sa video kanina. Tapos, after nun, pumunta na kami doon sa Coquitlam, pinick up namin yung mop. Na, by the way, hindi pa gamit. Hindi pa gamit yung mop. Tapos, for free lang yun. And then, pati yung bucket, wala din. Hindi pa gamit. Pero, akala namin, yun yung Oo, yung pinapress down, umiikot siya, tapos nag-ano siya ng water. Hindi pala. Yun pala yung iikutin mo ng manual. But that's okay, free lang. And then after nun, where did we go after?
We ate.
Oh, we went to IKEA to eat. And then just to eat because it was already like 6:30. And then after 6:30, after IKEA, saan ba tayo nagpunta? Pumunta tayo ng
We went to...
Canadian Tire. We got, eto, kahit ako sa inyo. We got this bad boy and propane. So, bukas ko na ipapakita sa inyo to kasi kaka-close lang namin. Tapos, nakakapagod na rin. And then, saan ba tayo after nun? After nun, we went to Superstore. Dapat bibili kami ng mga meats kasi nga, bumili kami nun para mag-barbecue for tomorrow. Pero, wala kami nakita na meats dun sa Superstore. So, we decided pupunta na lang kami sa 88. But before we went to 88, we went to drop off yung soil na pinamigay namin dun sa Facebook group. By the way, guys, may Facebook group pala na parang ang tawag doon, Buy Nothing Project.
Yeah.
And then basically, magpo-post ka doon ng mga gamit na gusto mong ipamigay na for free, na tapos ipipick up ng mga tao. And then, instead of selling it, tapos, magugulat kayo guys, na marami palang may gusto ng mga gamit nyo, na akalain yung walang bibili, pero gusto nila for free. So, it's a great way to recycle things. But anyways, yun nga, may soil kami na pang cactus and succulents. So, we donated that. So, we dropped that off dun sa may nag-ask for it. Tapos, we only dropped it off kasi nga nasa labas kami. That's it. Most of the time, they will come and pick it up instead. Anyways, after that, we went to 88. We bought liempo and pork na ilalagay sa steak tomorrow for the barbecue. And then after that, we went to... Saan ba tayo after?
Car wash.
Oh, nag-car wash kami kasi nga ang tagal nang hindi naka-car wash ni Tonyo and ang dirty-dirty na ni Tonyo tapos maganda yung weather bukas. So, kawawa naman si Tonyo. And then after that, oh, by the way, we went to two car washes kasi nga dun sa manual na car wash, sobrang dami nga tao. Like, pila ang cars. And then, so, pumunta kami dun sa parang, na lang siya, automated car wash. Cat paid, $15 and something? $15.84 or something. Pero, malinis ang car. Parang no effort. And then, ang ganda nun. Sayang nga hindi namin na-film. Pero kasi parang na-mesmerize na lang kami dun sa sa car wash. And then, after that, we went home. So, now we're home. Cat cleaned up a little bit. So, tomorrow, onti na lang. I marinated yung meat na binili namin. Kakanood lang namin ng Beck and Kai. And then, yun na. So, that's for the Thursday. And tomorrow is Friday. Parang ang bilis ng week na to, no? Hindi namin na-feel. Ang dami naming nagawa this week. Tapos, wala naman kaming dapat gagawin this week. So, nung Monday, ano ba nung Monday?
Off kasi ako ng Monday.
Off sikat ng Monday and Tuesday. Nasa bahay ako ng Monday and Tuesday. Tapos, 23 Wednesday?
23 ngayon. 22 kahapon.
22 kahapon Wednesday. Ano bang ginawa natin kahapon?
Work.
Nagpa-haircut ako. Tapos nag-walk around kami ng downtown. Nagtitingin sikat ng ng sunglasses. Tapos ako yung napabili sa H&M ng mga
Wala akong nabili.
Wala akong nabili sikat. Pero yung mga binili ko, sale lang naman guys. Mga $6 na mga shirts. Ganon. And then, after that, umuwi kami. Naglinis kami ng balcony kahapon. Pero super light cleaning lang. Itutuloy pa namin to tomorrow a little bit more. And then sa weekend siguro. Para malinis na talaga. And then after nun, is today na. So, been a pretty busy week. Tomorrow we have a barbecue with Anna and Milo.
A busy and productive week.
Super busy and super productive. And yeah, so start na talaga ng summer kasi ang dami ng ganap sa calendar namin. Tapos ang dami na ring ganap sa labas ng bahay.
Super busy.
Super busy ng ang mundo ngayon kasi nga kala nila tapos na ang COVID, but there's still lots of people with COVID. May protest din bukas against COVID. Like, guys, hindi pa kayo napapagod kasi ako pagod na. We're all tired of COVID. It's a real thing, but I don't know why you guys are still protesting. You know, like, there are no more rules, guys. You're free.
We gotta do our own thing, our part.
That's
So,
true.
ano,
What are you so mad about again? Oh my God. Guys, summer na. Maganda na yung weather. Enjoy the weather instead of protesting. Stop wasting your time. But if that's what you want to do, go for it. If you have nothing else better to do, I guess.
siguro ganun yung ano nila, gusto nila i-celebrate ang,
Yeah.
stand ang
Yeah.
nila.
Yeah, I mean, if you really want to fight for something, go for it. But
True.
guys, please naman. But anyways, this weekend, it's another sunny weekend. So Kat and I will be out and about and doing things and trying out this grill somewhere probably. I don't know yet where, but
Isasama namin kayo for sure.
exactly. But anyways, oh my God, I talked for 8 minutes. It's okay. It's okay. It was a short vlog for the rest of the week. Yun lang naman. That's all. But Kat was not in this talk because she looks somewhat naked right now. Hindi naman, naka-tank top kasi siya. Anyways, see you tomorrow. I'm tired. Kat's tired. We're gonna go to sleep soon. So, yeah.
Nice.
Peace. Hi guys. Papunta na ako kay Kat. Daming tao. Okay, we went to London Drugs and Kat bought two things of paper towel because they're on sale. Buy one get one free. So we paid $10. We got two, so that's $5 each. That's a pretty good deal. Yeah. See, this is downtown Vancouver. It's so hot today. It's
22 degrees.
22 only, but it's very sunny. Ang dami ng tao.
Daming tao na.
Yeah. Dami ng tao sa downtown. Siguro after 4 and then they're gonna party tonight. Puti na lang aircon yung train kasi mainit ngayon. Dati may ads dito na wala na ba yung ay, sayang. Anyways, pauwi na kami. This is the makeshift barbecue because hindi siya kasha dito. So we added that one. And for barbecue, we just have liampo and some pork cubes, I guess. Anyways, yun lang. Ito yung binili namin kahapon. It was $120. But magagamit din siya pag nandito yung family ko. Pag punta sa beach with friends too, that you can use it. And you don't need a match anymore because it has a starter. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to use it. And yeah, look at the nice weather today. Ang ganda ng mountains. Anyways, so ito yung floor. Kanina, ganito siya ka-itim. But I mopped, we scrubbed yesterday, and then we got the mop. That's what we used the mop for. And then yun na. It's a lot cleaner. It's not still like the cleanest, but it's okay for now. We'll clean it more later on. Guys, I think that's all for this vlog because we're gonna be busy. So that's it for that's it for this week.
That's it for this week. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and sa mga bagong nag-subscribe sa amin, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Please don't forget to like and
it.
subscribe.
Oh.
Subscribe.
Yeah, and if you wanna message us in the comments or on our Facebook, or ewan ko, mag-comment lang kayo.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Tama!
Wow!
Tunay na tunay. Dali. Go.